Welcome to today's class on EasyMathsTutor. So our question, if we are given x equal to -3, y equal to 2, z equal to 5, a equal to 3 over 2, and b equal to 1 over 2, let's evaluate the following functions. So our A problem is given as shown. So if we substitute the values of x and y into the function and also the value of z, this is what we'll have. So 2 times -3 times 2 minus 2 rather. So -6 minus 2 is -8 times 6 plus 5, which is 11, times -15 minus 10. So if we multiply all of them, that is the answer. So for our second problem, we'll substitute the values of x, y, and z into the above as shown, divided by the values of a and b into the denominator. So when we simplify the numerator, this is what we have: -6 minus 50 divided by 6 over 8 minus 1. So that gives us -56 all over 2 minus 2 over 8. So it will be 56 all over 1/4, which is 56 times 4. So the final answer will be 224. So for our B problem, we substitute the value of A and B into the numerator. Remember to square A in the numerator. Substitute also for the denominator. And this is what it's going to look like. The first term, 3 times 9 times -1. That's for the first term. Then the second term, we have 3 times -1. So this is for our numerator. So let's try and draw the division line. Then we add our denominator. So our denominator is written as follows. What we got for 2a squared, 2b plus 1. So if we simplify the numerator, this is what we have. We have to add the fractions in the numerator. Then we have a fraction in the denominator being added to a whole number. Okay. So we know that the LCM of the numerator is 32. So 32 divided by 16 is 2 times 27 minus 3. So for the denominator, we have -36 over 16 plus 1. So that will give us -57 all over 32 for the numerator, while the denominator will be, we'll divide 36 and 16 by 4, giving us minus 9 over 4 plus 1. So the numerator will remain as minus 57 over 32, while the denominator will be minus 5 over 4. When you sum up those numbers, the final answer will be minus 5 over 4. So this is a division. So this division, we're going to flip over the denominator. So it will be 57 minus 57 times 4 all over 32 times minus 5. Remember, the negative signs will cancel themselves out. Then we'll have 57 times 4 will give us 228, while 32 times 5 will give us 160. So at this point, we're going to reduce the numerator and the denominator. So we divide through by 4. And this will give us 57 over 40. Now for our D problem, we're going to substitute the values of A, X, B, and Y. So we'll take it step by step. The first set of terms is ax plus by squared. So we'll substitute ax plus b and y, and then we'll square it. At this point, I would like you to do me a favor by clicking subscribe to this channel so that we can keep producing beautiful videos for us to learn more about mathematics. Thank you for that. So let's continue. So if we find the square of 9 over 4, it will give us 81 over 16, not 36, okay? I'll correct that as videos continue. Correction will be shown later. So the next set of terms is ay plus bx squared. Ay plus bx all squared. So if we substitute all the values for a, y, minus b, and x all squared, this is what we will have. We will have 3 minus 3/4. Remember, the minus in the quarter and the minus in the 3 will cancel out and become plus. And so our final answer will be 2 1/4 squared. So if we form it to a mixed fraction, it will be 9 over 4 squared, which is 81 all over 16. I told you I'll correct that 36 as the video progresses. So you find out that the third set of terms is almost the same as the second. The only difference is that there's a plus, not a minus. And so I just took the same solution and I changed the sign from minus to plus. And so our answer became 3 3/4. 3 3/4. Squaring it will give us 225 all over 16. So the final set of terms, which is ax minus by squared, gave us also the same function, the same value, 225 all over 16. So we've gotten our 4 terms. So we're going to substitute it back into the expression. So the first one is 81 over 16. The second one is still 81 over 16. So we'll all divide it, draw the line of division. The third one is 225 over 16 plus 225 over 16. So let's evaluate the numerator. When we do that, we'll have a common denominator, which is 16. So 81 plus 81 will give us 162. Then we also have another, in the denominator, the common denominator is 16. We also have 450. So these two 16 and the numerator and denominator will cancel themselves out, giving us 162 all over 450. So we're going to reduce this fraction. So we'll divide through by 6 because it's one of the common factors for both the denominator and the numerator. So it will be equal to 162 divided by 6 all over 450 divided by 6, giving us 27 all over 75. If you look at this expression, you will find another factor. So we'll further reduce it until there is no more way of reduction. Divide through by another 3. So we'll have 9 all over 25. Therefore, the answer is 9 over 25. So this is a rundown of all the problems. Thank you very much for watching. Bye. See you next time.